How to sign into Lockheed Martin employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Lockheed Martin employee login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, lockheedmartin.com. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the login ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. After you provide all the details, go ahead and click on the option of login, and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily sign into Lockheed Martin employee account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.